Good day to you. Good day, everybody. This is your friend and brother Lucky Matthew, and I'm super excited to be on your screen today. Uh, Welcome you to my channel. If you're here for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Today, we're going to be looking at how to swap your existing the PLC coins to the new smart coin. I repeat, how to swap your existing PLC uh, currencies from the light blockchain onto the smart coin on the smart blockchain. So let's begin. The first thing you need to do, first of all, is to call up your browser. As soon as you call up your browser, like this one, I'm going to be using, just one moment, I'm going to be using Chrome. So I call it up and type in, follow me, plcswapping.com, plcswapping.com. You enter it and it's going to load. Now it has loaded. As you can see, this is the new home screen of the PLC swapping website. The home screen of the PLC swapping website. So this portal gives you the opportunity to actually swap your existing coins onto the new smart coin, okay, to the new smart coin powered by the new smart blockchain. Now, the first thing we need to do, let's look at how many coins that can be swapped. Um, right now we have, just one moment. Right now we have, you can swap PLCU, you can swap PLCUC, you can swap PLCUX, but PLC is still pending. PLC, which was the first coin, the swapping for this one is still pending. I think they are still working on it. So we're going to be looking at how we can swap any of the three that I've circled. So what are you going to do next? What you do next is to click on the swap. I want to swap button, the orange color button that I've just circled. So you tap on it, it's going to open up the swapping platform, the dashboard, sorry. It's going to open up the swapping dashboard. It's loading. Okay, now this is the swapping dashboard, and this is what you see on the home screen. This here actually indicates, this place indicates your swapped balance, the coin that you have swapped, the PLs, the smart coin balance, which means the swapping would happen when you have exchanged your existing coin to the smart coin. Okay, it simply means you have swapped it. So what you're going to be seeing in this circled place is going to be your now smart coin balance, which is your swapped coin, the coin converted from the existing coins. Okay, so that's what you're going to be seeing there. So here shows you the swapping status. This is this place. Sorry, this place shows you the swapping status, and then your monthly swappings. What you have. Look at this one here. Your monthly swapping balance. And then so now, what do we do next? I want to walk you through the process of swapping. I'm going to be using PLCUX as an example. Okay, right now. So what you do, you have to click on, just hold on. You have to click on the menu. You tap on the menu, and it opens up the the menu properly. So you need to tap on swapping. Tap on swapping. Once you tap on it, it's going to now open up the swapping interface for you. At this swapping interface, it shows you the three coins I've mentioned. So I'm going to swipe it from right to left. Okay. Now I'm going to swipe under 3 A's. Now don't forget, like in my previous video, and if you've not watched that video, go back to my channel and watch uh, the swapping calculator. Okay, I think you have an idea how that work. This swapping works actually. Now, what you're seeing here, first of all, highlighted is the swapping for 3 years for PLCU. For person, simply means if you want to swap, you're going to have to choose either the 3 years swapping or the 5 years swapping. So what is highlighted right now is that of 3 years, and it is for PLCU. Okay, PLCU, the new PLCU. Now, if I have to swipe from right to left, it will show me PLCUC. So these are these are the your swapping conditions for the 3 years. Okay, and then if you choose 5 years, just hold on. If you choose 5 years for PLCUC, these are your swapping conditions, which means this here that I've marked in red actually shows you, let me remove this, shows you how much you're going to be getting every year for the next 5 years. That is for someone who have chosen uh, 5 years swapping. Okay, but if you choose 3 years swapping, let's go back there. This is what you're going to be getting every year. 1% the first year, 2% the second year, and 97% the third year. Okay. Now let's engage the swapping. So now I'm going to change it to 5 years, and I'm going to, what do I want to swap? I said I want to swap PLCUX, PLCUX for 5 years. Just hold on. But sorry, there's no 5 years for PLCUX. So move over to the 3 years, and we'll swipe from right to left. Swipe again, and then it will show us the PLCUX swapping interface for the 3 years. And the same, just like that of Classic, what you're going to be getting is 1% first year, 2% second year, and then 97% the third year. All right, guys. So let's click on what you want to do next is to click on swap. You click on swap. So I click on swap. It's going to open up this, asking you to accept the terms and conditions for swapping. Okay, so for some of us, you may need to read it, but I don't need to read it. I trust the system and all that. So I just have to accept, check the button, and check the button, and then what else? I click on this button, agree. I click on agree button. So once you click on agree button, it's going to take you to the next stage, providing you the QR code for swapping. Okay, it's going to provide you the QR code for swapping. So what I want to do right now is to copy the address, this PLCUX address. So I'll copy it. Um, Once I tap on this button, I've tapped on it already. Let me point it to you. This button, this is the button you're going to have to tap on. So once you tap on it, it shows you that you have copied into your clipboard. So you now at this stage, you have to move over to wherever you stored your PLCUX. Now I'm going to go over to one of my wallets, and then from there, I would transfer an amount of PLCUX to this wallet, okay, that I want to swap to Smartcoin. So let's go. Just one moment. Just one moment, please. I'm trying to locate where I stored it. Okay. I think I have to go for this one. Let's see. It's opening. Input your PIN just like normal. This is for those persons now who wants to send their PLCUX from their wallet. Okay, send it from their wallet. Let's see what happens here. It's loading. The network seems slow. It's still processing. My network seems a bit slow right now. So, but it's going to open pretty soon. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. My location is having network issue right now, and that is why. Okay, it has opened up. Don't forget, I had copied my address from the PLC swapping platform. So I'm going to have to tap on this. I would have to tap on this, please. Sorry. One moment, please. I'm going to have to tap on this place. Tap on it. Once I tap on it, it takes me to the next place. I'm going to have to tap on send button. I tap on it. That's going to take me to where I want to send. Now, at this stage, I have 0.159 PLCUX at this on this wallet. So I just need, let me say, 0.01. 0.01. I click on send button. Click on send button. Okay, send. Now that address you copied, you have to paste it here by pressing and holding your thumbnail down on that place. So I'm going to have to press, hold, and release. The paste option will appear. As soon as the paste option appears, let me do it again. Just a moment. Paste and then tap on paste. As soon as you tap on paste, that address you copied from that web browser, that is the swapping, plcswapping.com, it will be pasted here, that address. Now you click on send. Tap on send button at the bottom, this button. Tap on it. Then swipe from left to right. Swipe from left to right. From left to right. Just as that, this arrow is pointing. So press, hold, and drag it to right. Drag it to right. It's processing. It's processing. It's going to show me congratulations. Now I have succeeded in sending 0.01 to 0.01 to my swapping interface. Okay, so let's move over there. First of all, let's see how long it's going to take to leave here. Let's see how long it's going to take to leave here. I think it's sent already. It's sent already. So as you could see, it looks like I was charged a very tiny fee. I was charged 0.000. Let me point it to you. Just for this transfer, a very tiny fee. 0.0000009. That was what I was charged. So let's move over to this place. Now the system, once the system received it, boom, it has been received. See, my coin that I sent has been received by the platform, and now it shows me the breakdown. For that 0.01, I swapped 0.01 PLCUX. I actually got, let me see, swapping amount. Swapping amount, I got 8.333 smart. Okay. Okay, just hold on. Let's look at it together. Now this is the breakdown here. Shows you the breakdown of how you receive your swapping. Okay. Now year one, for year one, first year I'm seeing 100, second year 200, third year 90, 9,700 smart coins that I'm going to get. Okay, so this is 2023. Let me circulate. This is 2023 that we are right now. This is what I'm going to get. 2024, I'm going to get this, and 2025, I'm going to get this smarts. All together will be, if you add this amount, add this amount, and then add this amount. This is 300 plus 97,000. 97,000. All together will be 10,000. So that 0.1 smart, 0.01 PLCU that I actually sent out now is going to give me about 10,000 smart coins. 10,000 smart coins. If I'm see, this is the home screen. So what are we going to do at this point? Let's go back to the dashboard, the home screen itself. Go to the dashboard. Let's see how it looks like now. Now, yes, this is exactly what I was expecting. Let's see this one. Like I said earlier at the beginning, this place now shows you your swapped balance for the month. You know, like we said earlier, the swapping is for 3 years. I chose the 5 years plan. I mean, the 3 years plan for this PLCUX. Okay, I chose the 3 years plan, and in that 3 years, the first year is 1%, second year is 2%, the third year is 97%. So this first year that was 1%. So what this 8 point something that you're looking at, 8.333 represents my monthly swapped coin. Okay, so that 1 year, okay, the value of PSU, I mean, the value of the smart for 1 year divided by 12 is what you are looking at. The value of the smart for 12 months divided by 12 gives you 8.333333x. So that's it, guys. And as you can see, monthly swap. So every month from today, I'm going to be having this one for that 0.01 PSU that I swapped. This is it, guys. So this is how to do the swapping. Thank you, and watch out for other videos as we move on.